Red arrows were yesterday. Just missed the buzzard. Just missed the bird.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I lost him. There he is.